Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down the major updates in the new IFRS 18 standard, which is set to replace IAS1. These changes aim to improve the presentation and transparency of financial statements, especially in how financial performance is reported. Let's dive right in. First up, IFRS 18 introduces a redefined structure for the income statement. Now, profit or loss will be grouped into 5 main categories: operating, investing, financing, income taxes, and discontinued operations. This new approach standardizes the presentation of financial performance, ensuring better comparability across different companies. Companies will now need to present specific subtotals like operating profit and profit before financing and income tax, which were previously not standardized. This helps users analyze financial performance more consistently. Next, let's talk about Management-Defined Performance Measures, or MPMs. IFRS 18 puts a new focus on these non-GAAP measures used by companies to communicate financial performance. These measures must now be clearly defined, reconciled with GAAP measures, and explained in a single note within the financial statements. This ensures transparency and consistency, making these measures more auditable. Moving on, we have enhanced aggregation and disaggregation guidelines. IFRS 18 provides stricter rules on how companies should group or separate financial statement line items. This ensures that relevant information isn't hidden or overly summarized, making it easier for investors to understand key financial data. Companies will need to group items with shared characteristics and further disaggregate them if necessary for clarity. There are also changes to the statement of cash flows. One key change is specifying operating profit as the starting point for cash flow reconciliation, ensuring consistency. Additionally, options for presenting interest and dividends will be reduced, simplifying the cash flow statement. So, who will be impacted by these changes? All entities applying IFRS standards, including both public and private companies, will be affected. The changes in IFRS 18, especially regarding the presentation of performance measures, will require many companies to adjust their systems and financial reporting processes. For example, under IAS1, companies had flexibility in how they presented operating profit. However, with IFRS 18, all companies must include specific subtotals such as operating profit or loss and profit before tax and financing. This ensures that users of financial statements can more easily compare companies in different industries or regions. Lastly, let's talk about the effective date. IFRS 18 will be effective starting January 1st, 2027, with early adoption allowed. Companies are encouraged to start preparing now, as these changes may require adjustments to financial systems and reporting processes. In summary, these updates aim to make financial statements more transparent and comparable across companies, providing better insights for investors and other stakeholders. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to stay updated on these changes as we move closer to the effective date. Catch you in the next video.